What if aliens invaded Earth? Sounds like a plot straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's put on our imagination hats and explore this thrilling scenario. What would it mean for humanity? And how would we react? Buckle up because this ride is going to get intense. First things first, how would it even begin? Let's say one day, the sky darkens, and massive alien spacecraft hover above major cities worldwide. Would they announce their presence peacefully or unleash chaos? Well, history tells us that humans don't exactly handle surprises well, especially when they involve extraterrestrial visitors. Governments would scramble to communicate. Scientists and linguists might try to decode their language, while militaries prepare for the worst. But here's the big question. Would we unite as one species, or would divisions deepen? Assuming aliens have the tech to travel light years to reach us, their technology would likely be light years ahead of ours. Think force fields, energy weapons, and who knows what else. Our jets and missiles might look like toys to them, but humans are resourceful. Remember, it was human ingenuity that got us to the moon and cracked the atom. Would we use guerrilla tactics, hack their systems, or maybe even form unlikely alliances to fight back? Here's a twist. What if they're not here to destroy us but to help us? Maybe they've come to share advanced knowledge, clean energy, cures for diseases, or ways to save our planet. But would we trust them? History shows we tend to fear what we don't understand. And if they are hostile, what could their motive be? Resources? Colonization? Or are we just a small part of a bigger intergalactic game? Let's say the invasion ends, whether through diplomacy, war, or sheer luck. How would the world change? Would we rebuild stronger, united by our shared experience? Or would we become more paranoid, always looking to the skies for the next threat? One thing's for sure, humanity would never be the same. The idea of an alien invasion sparks fear and fascination in equal measure. But maybe, just maybe, it could remind us of how precious and fragile our world is. So, what do you think? How would humanity handle an alien invasion? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending scenarios. Until next time, keep looking up.